Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
Okay, so according to their position, we are saying these are important things. You can keep it in unordered also, no issues, but preferable keep it in ordered. Okay, so this is heading. This is another section which we have created so as to fix its font size and all. So margin top 250px, color green, font size 20px. This we did yesterday, on Friday. Okay, now we'll write down H2, top 10 place to visit in India, and H2 close. Okay, and then OL. This I said that you can do it on your own. Quickly tell me or raise your hands how many of you have done it. This OL. Ordered list, how many of you have done it? Okay, inline block I'll tell. अब message मत करना, inline block you have told me, I'll keep in mind, I'll tell you. Okay, अच्छा जिन्होंने नहीं किया है just quickly do it. So we are putting it in OL ordered list, tag खोला, and then LI list element, Statue of Unity in Gujarat, and LI closed. Again LI, and then forts in Rajasthan, LI closed. Again LI, like that we'll keep on doing until this part we will do it. Okay, they could display 4 types, 4 values gain कर सकता है. None, when you say none it just hides. When you say inline block, तो block बनाता है, block size बनाता है. List है, list कैसे आती है? ऐसे आती है, हाँ. But जब हम उसे block term कह देते हैं तो वो blocks create करता है उसके. And when we say inline, तो एक ही line में block create कर देता है. तो block, inline block और inline, 3 things are there. And none. ठीक है? तो inline block में this is the reason it is creating blocks like this. ऐसे जा रहे हैं. Fine with this? I hope that is clear now. Huh? So quickly, those who have not done this, just quickly do this. And once we have set this in a style, na section में हमने section के लिए कह दिया color should be green and font size should be 20px. So we don't need to do that in OL or LI. Reason being, it will take the section values. And since we are closing this section over here, so in OL also it will be applicable. I hope that is clear now. Okay. Okay, good number. I just scroll and whosoever name comes, I can see their faces. I just respond. Above coding, एक बार मैं पूरा दिखा दूंगी. Once you are done with this page, you can take the screenshot. Some of you must have missed it. Then that will be okay for you. Okay. या स्निपिंग टूल ओपन करो और पूरा स्क्रीन कैप्चर कर लो मेरा. That is also okay. After this page is done, I'll show the whole screen. You can just take a screenshot. ठीक है? Okay. So those who have done this, just for them. Now once we have created this, closed this section, the next part is footer. Footer means foot. Means lowest part. हमारा भी foot नीचे होता है ना, head up होता है, foot नीचे होता है. So similarly, this HTML page has a tag called as footer. Okay, so when we say footer, so style is equal to We are styling it. I am setting its background color as light blue and padding left as 500 px. Reason being it will come at the center then. मैं align भी use कर सकती थी, but मैंने padding left use किया है because padding needs to be thorough to all of you. This margin and padding makes a difference. How we are styling it. Okay. Once this is done, to know more about, we will write this text. To know more about India and its culture, visit A. Again, we will open a tag because we are going to put one link. A href is equal to, और last time I showed you Incredible India website, है ना? उसको वापस से open करो, उसका link copy करो. How you are going to do that? Go here, यहाँ पे जाओ, Incredible India डालो. Okay. So this will come up. Just click on this and copy this one. Copy किया, Control C किया, right? And go on your page and paste it here in double quotes. Okay. And once that is done, over here, close A. It should be either JPG or PNG, preferable. And once you are done with this footer thing, A tag जो हमने करा था वो A को close कर दो, and then close the footer, and your body and HTML is already closed. Yes, picture need to be in the same drive, same folder. Drive भी नहीं, folder. Windows में PNG, why it's not working? It should work. It means you have not taken the right picture. Open नहीं हो रही है, इसका मतलब picture में कुछ issue है ना? This is done. First tell me, is it done? Footer part done with this? See what happened? Two thumbs down. Okay. Now nobody will put any of the things on chat. I'm sharing my this index.html file. Try downloading it.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.